opened at 8:30 Central Time, which would be 9:30 Eastern Time. And as you can see here, the trading has commenced. So if you look at this price here, it is continually changing. So 56, 130. These are going to be the three that are going to change the most often. So 129, 127, 73 is falling, price is falling, and then it will increase. So it went from 73 to 122. So essentially what happens is, what we're trading right now, what we're looking at, is the volume in 24 hours of the US dollar in the cryptocurrency exchange market. So this is just one of the markets that people use to make money. And we're talking about cryptocurrencies right now. So as you can see, there's 137,876, and it changed again, 877,299.19 US dollars. So USDT stands for US dollar tether. So tether is what is a cryptocurrency, and it is the currency that holds the US dollar value, and it always stays at $1. So I'll show you that. Let's go over here to Coinbase, and I will show you. Now this website here is called coinmarketcap.com. This is a great source to learn about cryptocurrencies and find good coins to invest in. Now, if you come down here, you'll be able to see that Bitcoin is number 1, of course. Ethereum is number 2, and Ripple is number 3. Now, about a week and a half ago, Ripple, which is also known as XRP, had moved up to the number 2 spot. So if you look at the market cap, there is 22,413,456,721 in market cap, which means the total of money, the total of US dollars, Canadian dollars, Australian dollars, the entire world that trades cryptocurrencies, the money that they've earned or that they own or possess, the total that they've decided to invest is $22,413,456,721. That's a lot of money. Now remember, this includes corporations, this includes individuals like myself, this includes governments. So anyone can invest in cryptocurrencies. But the difference between cryptocurrency and stocks is the regulations are very few, which means the control is almost non-existent, which is good for investors because there's no manipulation, there's no control, and your investments, you really control them. No one else is pulling strings and hidden triggers. So the XRP is ran by banks. Banks are the one that are investing in XRP. So that's why it's doing so well. It's moved from, down here, probably in the 6th position, all the way up to the 3rd position, and it was even lower. Now, at one point, Cardano was higher than XRP. And as you can see, the price of Cardano is at 8 cents. It was at 11 cents some months back when I first bought it. And you would say, well, did you lose money? In my opinion, no, because I still own my Cardano. So I haven't lost money on it until I sell it. But I'm a long-term investor, and I'm learning and finding new ways to invest short-term, which I'm going to show you one of those ways today. Now, the XRP is trading at 56 cents. And as you can see, if we come back over here to our Binance, this is Binance, excuse me, and you'll see that we're trading XRP for the US dollar, or we can look at Bitcoin, BTC, and look at its trading pair, which is XRP. No. I'm recording a video. So, as you can see, XRP, its trading pair is BTC, and we're going to click on that one. And now you can see the change price. So what happens is throughout the day, throughout the time that the market is open, which would be from, this is Google here, market, the time the market is open, and what I had typed in was, what time does the market open? So it's from trading hours begin at 9:30 a.m. and end at 4 p.m. If you look at the time, we're in Houston, Texas. The time is 8:39 a.m. So you ask yourself, why is the market already open, right? Because the time, again, is 8:39 a.m. But over here it says the market doesn't open until 9:30 a.m. Well, the market follows Eastern time. In Eastern time, it's 9:39 a.m. So the market's been open for 9 minutes and 52 seconds in Eastern time. Okay? So now that we have an understanding on that, let's look back over at the price. So when it's in the green, that means it's rising. If it hits pink, that means that it fell. So as you can see, this is the price in Bitcoin. It's 0.00008556 at the moment. Now, it just changed. It fell 2 or 3 points. So it went 8.5 to 5. See, look at that. You see that? So it's sitting right at 8.5, but it's fluctuating between 8.5. So the 3.7. So 3.7. Let's see what it goes to. 4.6. It went up. Went back down. 3.1. Went back up to 4.6. Went up to 4.9. So you see it jumps all over the place. So it constantly fluctuates. Now this is the price in Bitcoin here. This is the equivalent in the US dollar. So it's 56 cents right now. And if you look over here, a lot of you didn't know that there were numbers past these two, because we only deal with change. We only deal with pennies. But there is money to be made, and there's money that is a lot smaller than pennies, and it adds up, right? Okay, so for instance, you got 2013, 2012, it went down. 1816, it went down. 1834, it went down. And it jumped back up to 2154. So if you do the math, let me just show you something really quick. If you do the math, you CA, if you just do some really quick math just to see, let me show you how money works, how money really works. So for instance, you got the 1766, right? And they drop down to 1441. So let's just see what the difference in money is for that. So let's do 0.56, and we'll do 1780 because it was at 1780, and now it's at 2050. It's at 2050. So let's do minus 0.56, and let's see if it jumps high again. Because remember, we're dealing with, well, actually, let's start over. Let's do 0.56 2265. Okay, so that's the high. Now the low would be 1905. So let's do minus 0.56 2097. Let's do 2097. So this right here is the change, right? So if you bought it at that higher price, if you bought it at that lower price and sold it at that higher price, within seconds you would have made this amount of money right here. Now this is not even a penny, but watch this. If you had tens of thousands of dollars, or tens of thousands of shares, or tens of thousands of coins, I'm just giving you different terminology to kind of help you understand what I'm saying. Imagine each of these 56 cent, or one coin. That's one coin. So if you had 10,000 of these coins, and you made a trade, so you bought it low and sold it high within a few seconds. Watch this. So remember, we have 10,000 of these, right? And we're going to make this profit on each. This is profit that we're going to make within a couple seconds. We're going to make this profit within a couple seconds. So watch. This times 10,000 coins that we have, right? 10,000 coins. Hit enter. You're going to make $1.68. Okay. That's not a lot of money, but you made $1.68 within 2 or 3 seconds, right? So this is how people are getting rich in cryptocurrencies. Now, it takes a lot of money to do this because let's look at the math. $1.68 is profit. That would be great, but how do you make $1.68 in 2 or 3 seconds? Watch. If you had 10,000 coins of Ripple XRP, those coins at today's market value, 56 cents, would cost you, let's just look at the price it is right now, 2200, right? Okay. Would cost you $5,600. So you would have to have a $5,600 investment to be able to make that type of money. Now, you could essentially invest $5,600 and you can make $1.62 every few seconds in this market, because this market is so volatile that it allows for change every few seconds. You can make money every few seconds, and that's how people make hundreds of dollars a day. I didn't understand it for a long time until yesterday. I started really digging deep and looking at this, because people don't really explain this very well. They never give you the secret. And here's the secret. I'm giving it away because I don't feel like it should be a secret. I feel like it should be public knowledge. Anybody with $5,000 should be able to make $1.62 every few seconds. So $5,000, that's a lot of money to me. It's not a lot of money to some people. Now watch this. Let's just say you had, a change of 0.56 2133. Okay. So let's watch it change again. So let's see what happens. It's just sitting there right now at the moment. Now what we want to do is we want to see this number increase. So it's just sitting. It's not moving at the moment. For some reason the price is just sitting there. So let's see what happens. And this is what some people do. They'll sit in front of the computer screen for hours and hours and make. You just imagine if you're making, let's just do some quick math. Let's just imagine if you make $1. That one trade was $1. You made $1.56, was it? I believe. So let's multiply that over 1 minute. So every 5 seconds, let's say you make that type of money every 5 seconds, which would be 30, 20, 5 seconds, 20 every, no, my math is off. Hold on, I'm sorry. 60 minus 5. Let's just say it took you 10 seconds to do it. So let's just do 66. Okay. So every 6, you could do it 6 times in a minute, right? 6 times $1.56, let's say. Could essentially make $9.36 every minute with an investment of $5,000, say $5,600, right? Because this 1 minute you made $9.36 multiplied by 60 minutes, you can make $561 in 1 hour. Now remember, you have to have an investment of $5,600 to do this, right? Now, I haven't been looking at this number. Does anybody know if this number changed? I wasn't paying attention. But okay. Now this was 1 hour, right? Okay, so let's see what happens in 20. Now the market, remember, the market only is from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. So this fluctuation only happens between these hours. So that means you got a total of 9:30 to 10:30. That's 1 hour. 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30. So about 6 hours, 6.5 hours. So that means that you only get a chance to make this money for 6 hours each. So a total of 6 hours. So in one day you have a potential to make $3,300 in one day. And that's with a $5,600 investment. And I just proved it to you. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you followed it all the way through and didn't get bored, or I didn't lose you. And I hope you guys have a great day. Please like this video and also subscribe to my channel, please. And share this video with someone that you think would be interested in making money. And any of you that would like to invest, leave a comment in the box below or send me a message, and I would be glad to help you with that. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week.